Hey guys, so today I have my Akg Lyra USB microphone and I have already done a review and unboxing of this microphone, so if you want to check that video, just click here. So as I discussed in my previous video on this Akg, this microphone has some inbuilt sound patterns. So depending upon the environment where you are recording your audio, you can change these settings to get the best audio quality. So let me tell you what are those. So the first setting is the front mode, in which the front part of the microphone records all the audio, and the second is the front and back, which means if you are recording sound in a duo where two people are recording in an audio, so the sound passes from both the front and the back side of this microphone. The third setting is the tight stereo, and the fourth setting is the wide stereo. Now it depends upon the room with the environment where you're recording, so you can select these settings. So today I'm going to test all these settings and I'm going to tell you how these different settings sound. So if you are like me and you're recording in a room, so I'll tell you the best setting for that. So keep watching this video till the end. So this is when I'm recording with the front mode on, and this front mode works very well if you are in a room where you are recording your YouTube videos or some other videos. So for that, or even podcasting, in those cases, this front mode is the best suited, I think. So now let me change this mode to front and back. So this is the front and back mode. The front and back mode are good for people who want to record audio in duo. So two people want to record an audio. But if you are solo, then back side of this microphone will also catch some echoes, and that really distorts the sound. Now let me change it to tight stereo. So this is how it sounds in tight stereo. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think, which sounds the best, depending upon the preference, depending upon the environment. So let me know in the comments below, which one would you prefer. Now let me change this to wide stereo. So this is the wide stereo. This is how it sounds. So I'm not into sound and audio stuff that much. So I don't know a lot about this tight stereo and wide stereo. So some of you guys who know, just let me know in the comments below, what is the difference between these two settings, tight stereo and wide stereo. So personally, I think this front mode sounds the best. So that was it guys. If you are in the market looking for a professional USB microphone, then this Akg Lyra can be a very good choice. So this costs about 8,000 rupees. So if you want to check this, then I'll just leave a link in the description below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.